Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some very nice conditions across the region this morning, seeing some cooler and less humid weather across the region today, and that's going to extend through the next several days. So we have a Canadian high pressure building in the region giving us some nice weather. Some slightly breezy northwesterly winds this morning, so all gusts of 22 knots earlier, but that should be about the peak of our winds today. Should see those winds around 8 to 13 knots, gusting as high as maybe 19 to 20 knots for this afternoon out of the northwest. But overall, no chance of precipitation or lightning today. We'll see more sunshine, for this afternoon and less cloud cover with more peaks of sunshine for the afternoon hours. As we move into our sounding from this morning, we have a freezing level at 12,900 feet. Winds are out of the northwest around 15 to 20 knots, and the levels becoming more westerly in the mid-levels and increasing out of the southwest up to 42 knots at 25,000 feet. Our current surface analysis, we have a cold front off the coast over the Gulf Stream this morning, seeing some cloud coverage across the region with a weak trough moving through our area today, but overall going to see high pressure at the surface across the region, giving us nice conditions. This cold front that did move through yesterday evening did give us some showers and thunderstorms across the region with a good amount of activity during the evening hours yesterday. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have some cloud cover across the Chesapeake Bay. Going to see that cloud cover continuing across the area this morning, and then should erode for the afternoon hours, as I mentioned, with more sunshine this afternoon. And look at the GFS model for the next several days here. You can see high pressure in control. We'll have an upper level cutoff low over the New England into northeast states on Wednesday and Thursday. At the surface, we'll have high pressure. That's just going to allow us to have unseasonably cool temperatures across the region. Could be seeing our overnight low tonight near our record low of 54 degrees, so looking like some very chilly air for the middle to late August. And moving into Thursday, high pressure continues to be in control. Friday, very similar setup, high pressure in control, sliding off the coast a little bit. That's going to allow us to see a more of a moderating trend towards late week into the weekend, and looking like we'll have a nice weekend across the region. Temperatures in the lower to mid-80s across the area. Sunday into Monday looks like we should start warming up more towards seasonable averages across the area, with the possibility of a cold front moving through on Monday. Most models are showing a weak boundary, GFS a bit more amplified here with more precipitation and this stronger area or cold front moving through the region on the GFS here. But overall, looks like we have a really nice stretch of weather in store across our region with pleasant conditions, low humidity, and temperatures below seasonal averages for the next few days. Today we'll see a high of 77 degrees, low tonight of 55, so just shy of our record of 54 on this forecast here. We'll see those northwesterly winds, as I mentioned, around 8 to 13 knots, gusting as high as 19 to 20 knots this afternoon. And then overall tonight we'll see northerly winds 5 to 10 knots. Our 24-hour terminal forecast is going to see fairly good sky conditions today, other than that ceiling around 5,000 feet to 6,000 feet throughout the day today. Should see that, as I mentioned, erode this afternoon with VFR conditions continuing the next 24 hours and less cloud cover overall by tomorrow morning with mostly sunny skies expected. And for our chart today, green chart across the board. Our tides are still running about slightly above normal this time. And Wednesday into Thursday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy and pleasant, unseasonably cool for this time of year, a high of 76 degrees. Wednesday night, mostly clear with unseasonably cool temperatures expected. Once again, a low of 55 degrees on Wednesday night. And for Thursday, mostly sunny during the morning, becoming partly cloudy in the afternoon, high of 77 degrees. Green charts across the board here for Wednesday through Thursday. So next 7 days, partly cloudy skies from Tuesday through Sunday. Good conditions in general. We'll see a bit more cloud cover in the afternoon for Wednesday and Thursday compared to the morning hours, but overall, some really nice weather in store. As I mentioned, temperatures in the mid-upper 70s from today through Thursday, and then back into lower 80s to mid-80s from Friday through Sunday. And then looks like on Monday could be seeing that cold front approach, a bit warmer atmosphere across the region before that cold front moves through. Temperatures could be in the mid-upper 80s. Right now going with a high of 85 degrees. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 and 10 a.m.